And this was all pre-assembled?
No.
So how do you know what to do? Did it come with instructions or?
No.
Like, was the kitchen assembled?
The kitchen was not like that, no. I had to build that like
You
that.
built the kitchen?
Yes.
So how did the kitchen came? It came like in a small flat panel?
In the middle
Like this?
bit. No, it was built, but it's in 2 pieces. So 2 pieces and it sits in the centre.
And is that a bench top?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty impressive. Got a obligatory jar of lollies here.
Right.
Did I come with it as well? This is pretty good. So these all came with the...
Yep.
That's not a bad build.
But it does feel the floor. It probably needs a few more.
Blocks.
Oh, you're shaking it.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So what's that? That's the electricity. Oh, that's the main switchboard. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it's got a roof and it's got electricity.
I had to get the electricians in
Yeah.
to put earth wires to the lights. So that's why
Oh, the
the
conduit.
conduit's there. So that's all new.
Got it. I see. So it's a nice cozy space. It's got like a room for a lounge, got a TV, we've got a nice kitchen here. It's pretty nice actually. And then let's go through and look at the bathroom. So you got to step up into that's a nice bathroom. That's pretty cool. So you got like a shower and you got a toilet and a sink. Come take a look. That's pretty cool. And so you've got a cabinet too. Waiting on the plumber.
I like the shower.
It's so cool.
And
And
what's
then
this?
you've got a bedroom. So it's
Get a bedroom as well.
Oh my god, that is so awesome. So you could probably put like a double bedroom in here, a double bed, I guess. And you got
They'll
windows.
have to sit a queen bed. And it folds here.
You can put it what?
Folds here.
Oh right.
So you just expanded out. That's how you built it.
Yeah.
So was it heavy? It was heavy.
Absolutely.
How did you do it? We just like how did you do this?
With a car.
With a car.
Can you invite us over when you're going to do the next one?
Definitely.
I'll help
For
out.
sure, yeah. Yeah, no, definitely.
And he came with these door locks.
Yeah.
This is a sturdy door.
I just can't.
The wardrobe as well.
No, we had to buy. They had to buy them.
Looks nice. This is gorgeous.
So nice.